Hello, there are so many sounds that you have already learned. Let's review. Remember, you say the sound as they appear on your screen. All right, let's go. Nice job. In this lesson, we are going to talk about two different digraphs. Do you remember what a digraph is? It is two letters that make one sound. So first, we have C and H. CH comes together to say ch. CH and SH, sh, and ch, often get confused. CH is very fast, like in chop, chop the wood. It's fast, ch, and the sounds stop quickly at the end. Ch, like in the words chop, bench, chimp. SH, on the other hand, goes until you run out of breath, like in the S sound. We've got S or sh. Both go until your breath goes out. So different than that ch quick sound, like in the word ship versus chip, or shop versus chop. Okay, the next digraph we are going to see is TH. TH often gets confused with F and V. So let's look at the difference. F and V both bite the lip, and TH is the only sound where you can stick your tongue out at someone. So TH, the T is sticking its tongue out at H and saying, H, what are you doing here? Now TH can say two different sounds. One is voiced and one is voiceless. So put your hand on your throat and say zzz. Feel your throat vibrate? Now stick your tongue out and say zzz with a vibrating voice box. That voiced TH sound gets confused with V because of where your mouth is placed and the sound of it. So you have to make sure you're paying attention to what your mouth is doing. You might hear this voiced TH sound in the words like these or than. Now it can also be voiceless. Say s with your hand on your throat. See, no vibration. So now say your digraph TH without a vibration. Stick your tongue out and say th. It often gets confused with F, so you have to make sure you pay attention to what the mouth is doing. You might hear this voiceless TH in the word thumb or thought. All right, let's look at some words that have these sounds in them and become rock star readers.